What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Half-Assed Garage. Today is kind of like a public service announcement. I don't usually do this type of stuff, but if you go to Harbor Freight and you pick up one of these hollow punch sets, you know, they look like this. It's got like a hollow part in the middle and a little opening so you can like punch through gaskets for, you know, holes and whatnot for your screws. One thing you need to know that I made a mistake of yesterday was these ground edges here are razor sharp right from like out of the package. So just handling this thing, it slipped on my hand and just cut me wide open. So you have to grind these things down. So be careful if you buy those, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so this is a little package that they come in there, okay? And these are what they look like. So if you see these things, you kind of know what they are. So you can pretty easily cut through paper. Let me get another one. Let me get this thing. Yeah, I mean, it's rough. So you might be able to see kind of the edge on it. I'm not sure exactly if you can see it very well. This is another one. They're pretty sharp. What I would do if I were you is just grind it off on a grinder. Where's the one that I already did? So, oops, sorry about that. Now I just took on a regular grinding wheel, just zip, 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 pushed it right against there, and now it's flattened out nice, you know, and you want to get the burr on the inside. Otherwise, this thing is insane. This is at least as sharp as the knife that I carry around every day. Not saying much for my knife, but definitely in a pinch, you'd be able to cut basically anything that you want with this stuff. So be aware, grind these things down. So that's kind of it. I mean, it's not like a scalpel, you know, where it's going to slice your tomatoes and stuff in half, but believe me, whenever you least expect it, this thing's gonna friggin' bite you, because this is right where you usually hold it, and that's the outlet for whatever material you've punched through. So they're good. They seem to work. Just nothing bad against, you know, Harbor Freight. I'm not trying to talk trash about them or anything like that, but this is for all of y'all watching. Just be careful when you use them. You might as well just right off the bat hit this thing with a stone or put it on a grinder and save yourself some trouble so you don't get cut. Okay? So I hope that helps one of y'all out, and have a great one. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know, comment down below if you've had experience with these. I'm sure that a better quality set from whoever makes them has already had this post procedure or whatever done to remove these crazy burrs. Actually, these are way sharper than the actual sharp point of that by a lot. Like, it's not even a comparison. So anyway, I hope that helps. I'll catch you on the next one.